All right, we're going to make bronze door handles. This is my first ever cast, and yeah, I hope you have fun. Here I'm 3D printing the pattern for the door handle, and I'm going to make a mold around that, and then remove the pattern, and then pour some bronze in. Let's see how that goes. All right, take the door handle apart, put some oily sand on, and carefully compact the sand around the door handle. Some more sand. Some more compacting. Strike off the excess sand. Beautiful. This went well. Okay, put the other half in, put some powder so I can separate it better next time. So I can separate it easier. Some more sand. Oh, I forgot that little bit, so I can pour the metal in later. That's important. Okay, let's see. Very nice. Here I realized that I hadn't thought about how I can remove the pattern bits, and I'm damaging the mold a little bit. This one was very tricky. I think this whole process cost me like 25 minutes. Anyway, now we dig some little trenches here, like a path for the molten metal to reach the door handle. Here we go. That's the first pour ever. Look at it. And yeah, beautiful. Oof, that was scary. Yeah, very nice, very good. All went well, nobody died. Okay, let's see how it went. This is a few hours later when it cooled off. Ah, it looks brilliant. Look at that. Of course, it's a bit dirty right now, but it went really well. I was really impressed. I thought I'd have to do several um, test casts before something good will come out, but this went really well. Can you see all that detail here? You can a little bit on the side. You can see even the layer lines of the 3D print. That's how detailed this cast is. Amazing. Yeah, so this was the cast. Now I have to clean up the door handle and give it a little polish, and then I'll see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.